That's right. You can hear birds chirping here in Fiji. Come fly away with me too. And let's have a look at another incredible opportunity we have today. The birds are excited. We hope you are too. We're at the Terraces Apartments. This is directly across from Denarau Port Marina. This is where all the yachts and the super yachts come in and out. We have all of the restaurants, shopping. There are about 8 resort hotels nearby, some incredible restaurants. And this is the hub of activity. And what we have here today is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, fully furnished. It's got a half bath downstairs as well, so it's actually 2.5. And you're gonna see with me full laundry inside. Great thing about this, there are 45, well look, birds coming inside, see? If you don't act quickly, somebody else is gonna take this. There are 45 units here at the Terraces Apartments, and 30 are in the rental pool, and 15 are owner occupied. And what that means is that owners who own full year-round privileges. So this unit actually you can own and come anytime. Here's a big storage unit downstairs. So for instance, if you wanted to rent this out, let's say Airbnb, short-term rentals, long-term rentals, let family and friends come enjoy it, you can have access to this all year round, whenever you want. 30 units do not have that privilege, and there are only 15 owners that have these exclusive rights to own all year round, and they rarely come available. Check this out. How about that stunning view right there? You've got the kids enjoying themselves in the pool. If you're looking to come to Fiji, you want something turnkey, ready to go, plug and play, no hassle, no hurry, no worry, as we say, this is an epic winner. Come with me upstairs. We're gonna have a look at the 2 bedrooms. Perfect for families, again, part-time, full-time, but you would be the owner. And straight across there is another development called the Palms. Those are for short term. Here is the 2nd bathroom upstairs. And you'll notice they've got these wardrobes, built-ins with the hangers, a little sitting desk on each side, tiled throughout. Very, very convenient. So here you have the 2nd ensuite. Great counter space in there. Tiled, and you can see these upper units, not only do they have the air conditioning and the ceiling fan and recessed lighting, but just nice vaulted ceilings. I've stayed here at this community myself. It's awesome because you literally walk right across the street and you're in the hub of activity, nightlife, live music, restaurants. It's so awesome. This is truly one of the best starter investments that you can have in Fiji, I'm telling you. Go to professionalsfiji.com, learn more, go to or call us +679 999 2051 to find out all about pricing details and specifics about this particular unit and all of our units available here in Fiji. But look at this, and you've got some nice privacy screen that can slide across. Boom. How about that? Look at that. The only thing missing is you. You've been dreaming about it, fantasizing about it, telling your family and friends you need to get out from where you are, retire, take your nest egg, and do something nice for yourself. Well, grab your golf clubs, your tennis racket, your swimsuit, your kayak, surfboard, all that stuff, and enjoy the Fiji lifestyle right here, right now. You can do it. We look forward to seeing you here. Manaka!